can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today I'm bringing you guys something a little bit different. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about my 5 most expensive sneakers that I do have in the collection. These are all fairly recent pickups, and honestly this is like a segue to me doing another sneaker collection, which if you guys give enough love to this video, I promise you guys I could possibly get that done before the year is out. Let me know if you would like to see that in the comments. Leave a like on this video if you do enjoy and would enjoy more of this type of content. Subscribe if you are new, and let's go ahead and get straight to it. So this is gonna be a quick little video. I'm gonna just start from the cheapest to the most expensive sneaker. At number 5, we do have the Travis Scott Jordan 6. This did release October 2019 for a retail of $250. Current resale for this is like $600 to $650 in my size. It does kind of vary depending on what size you're going for, but this is a banger sneaker nonetheless. You got the little saddle pocket with the Travis Scott branding on the inside. It says Cactus Jack on one, Nike Air on the other. Even the little lace locks say Cactus Jack on it. I feel like this is a well put together sneaker, and Travis Scott does his thing whenever it comes to his releases. I've honestly been a fan of every release that he's done so far. My least favorite were the 270s, and honestly even those grew on me. This is a banger sneaker. At number 5, we had the Travis Scott Jordan 6s, banger. At number 4, we do have the off-white Jordan 5s in the black muslin color, I believe it's what it's called. This is my favorite pair out of both off-white 5s that he's done. These retailed for around $225, and resale actually shocked me when I recently checked it. They're going for $986 in a size 10. Definitely went up in price, but at first when I saw the pictures of these, I didn't really love them too much. I just felt like the yellowed outsole, the swishy material on the top just was a little bit too much for me. But when I threw these on feet and when I started seeing them on people's feet, bro, they grew on me instantly. This is a banger pair of sneakers, especially with the cream laces. The other one does have the red laces. I want to know what you guys think. I might go ahead and put cream on both because it's just more wearable, but these are going for $986. At number 4, we had the off-white Jordan 5s. I love the black metallic Jordan 5, so this is right up my alley. Nike Air on the back, off-white branding on the inside, yellowed ass outsole. It's just a clean sneaker, bro. I even love the fact that they did this in black. In my personal opinion, this is like top 2 or maybe top 3 in my collection. At number 3, we do have the Travis Scott Jordan 4s. This is another banger sneaker. I bought these when they were going for like $300 to $400, and I recently checked, these are going for $1,014, pretty much. It's crazy how price on these just escalated that much. These actually dropped June 9th, 2018. That's 2 years ago at this point, and this sneaker definitely aged well. A lot of people are loving this sneaker, including myself. When I first saw these, I already knew that I needed them. The colorway on them is just beautiful, and I feel like for this being the first official Jordan collaboration that he did, it's just a must-have in your collection. I do love what he does with Jordan. It's just A1. If I was to choose one that I would wear every day, it would be this, and then my number 1 in my little collection right here. Fire sneaker nonetheless. This definitely inflated in price like crazy. A great sneaker to hold and resell if that's what you're looking for. These are definitely staying in my collection though. Just a beautiful sneaker in general. But number 3 was the Cactus Jack Jordan 4s, fire sneaker. For number 2, we have a banger, and it is the off-white Prestos in the black colorway. These dropped July 27th, 2018. It's crazy to think that these dropped 2 years ago now, and I love these so much when I first saw them. Always wanted them, never could afford them. Retail for these was $160, and to think that these are going for $1,050 right now on StockX, it's actually insane. Honestly, it depends on the size, because my girl's size is going for $700, but my size is $1,000. It's just a beautiful sneaker, super comfortable. You got all the little perks and whistles you get by buying an off-white sneaker. It says Air right there, Everton branding on the inside, foam. You guys have seen this sneaker a bunch, but you already know that this is one of their better sneakers that they have dropped with off-white. Honestly, I hope that they don't do any more Prestos. Just keep it at the original 3. Beautiful concept. Don't ruin it by dropping more. My number 2 is my off-white Prestos in the black colorway. Banger sneaker. Over $1,000 for these is honestly crazy. Let me know what's your favorite that I showed you guys so far. At number 1, if you guys have been watching the channel, you already know what this is. Jordan 1 Cactus Jacks. These are just gorgeous, bro. I don't know how many times I could say it. This is just a beautiful looking sneaker, bro. I have over 12 pair of Jordan 1s, and this is the only one that I'll lick the sole of if it's dirty. Like, bro, this is like, come on. I'm gonna give y'all a little sensational zoom in real quick. Like, dude, come on. This is a gorgeous sneaker. If I'm not mistaken, this retailed at $190 and it released back in May 11th, 2019. It's crazy to think that these came out twice and they still held their price, bro. When these first were releasing, I'm like, yo, I'm gonna just wait until they go under 700. Joke's on me, because I paid like 1,500 for these bitches a year later, and unfortunately, I just had to, bro, because this is just gorgeous, and I feel like if I didn't buy them now, I was gonna have to pay more than that in the future. At number 1, we had the Travis Scott Jordan 1s on StockX. These are listed for like over $1,700 right now. That's almost a mortgage for your house, like a month of rent, but I kind of do understand it. There's so many details on this sneaker. You got the little Cactus Jack logo on the back, the most infamous backwards swoosh. There's Cactus Jack branding on the inside right there. The stash pocket in here. It just makes sense why this would be the most expensive sneaker in my collection. Honestly, let me know what you guys think. If you were to order these 5 sneakers, which would be your favorite and which would be your least favorite? Listed down below. If I were to rank them personally, I would probably put the Travis Scott 1s, the Prestos, the off-white 5s, and then it's a battle between the 6s and the 4s. I feel like the price is one thing. The way that I look at these sneakers is just art in a way. I definitely do love each and every one of these in their own different way. Let me know what your favorites are from this video. Slap a like on this video if you did enjoy and would like me to make a sneaker collection coming really soon. That video would take a long time, but I promise you guys I would get it out. Subscribe to the channel if you are and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.